I'd been in and out of hospitals all my life for other reasons. I'd always kind of had something going on.
When I was running in gym class outside,
I broke my leg after having lots of pain for many months.
I wasn't quite sure what was happening.
I just had this horrible fever and I felt tired. I felt my stomach pain, everything. It was just abnormal. I didn't feel like it was normal. So that's when we went to a clinic.
And at first he thought I had like a flu or something affecting my lymph nodes, so he gave me antibiotics.
So I ended up staying over at the hospital for a weekend. So that was pretty interesting because I've never been in a hospital. So at first I was like, oh, look at the TV, look at it was just like, it's just exciting. But I never thought it was gonna be something so serious, right? So then they told me they were gonna do me a bone marrow aspirate. I didn't really know what that was either. So my mom investigated, she told me what it was, and I'm like, oh, okay, well, okay. So they just, they put me to sleep and
cut my neck and took out one of the lumps that was inside. And that's when
They diagnosed her with rhabdomyosarcoma.
At first, everything was kind of new to me, but
I didn't know what was going to happen or what was going on really at all.
There's many reasons why people get cancer, but it's certainly not that anyone doesn't deserve that, and it's definitely not karma.
My name's Alexandra, and I'm 18 years old.
I'm Carolina Ortiz. I'm 18 years old.
Hi, my name is Bethany Lerman.
My name is Landra Hope, and I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma, and I'm 16 years old.
I was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia when I was 7 years old, and I had a relapse when I was 15.
My name's Kim, and I'm 17. I'll be turning 18 in June.
I'm Simon Hajar.
My name's Sarah.
I'm Arjun, and I'm 15 years old. I'm turning 16 in August. And
my name is Marianna Monzon, and
I was diagnosed with cancer when I was 11.
And I was diagnosed in May 2010.
I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma a week after my 15th birthday.
yeah, I was, I think, 5 when I was diagnosed with
T-cell lymphoblastic lymphoma, and it was in my left lung.
I was diagnosed with rhabdomyosarcoma in August 2011.